Hi everyone, I'm so excited. I want to show you these adorable little goodies that I picked up from the recent collaboration between Uniqlo and Anya Hindmarch. So Anya is a fashion designer. She's a Brit in the UK that I have been following for quite some time. I actually read her book a while ago, If in Doubt, Wash Your Hair. It's such a good, funny, witty, clever, but also profound book that has lots of advice for women in particular, and it's about confidence and creativity and living authentically and having a happier life. And it's all of that, but it's a short book and it's easy to read. So I highly recommend that you pick it up if you're interested. I'll link it down below. So here we've got the goodies. Actually, there's one missing here that my son wore to school today. He took it because he loves it. And it is this scarf, but in the navy color. So this scarf here, as you can see, you've got the signature eyeballs from Anya. And I thought this wasn't going to be as soft. I was afraid it might be just like a, kind of like a, not rough necessarily because Uniqlo makes nice items, but I thought it would just be sort of like average feeling. It's really soft, which is why my son took the navy one and claimed it as his own, which is fine because I'm happy to give it to him. It's chunky, it's warm, it's soft, so why wouldn't he want to wear it in this cold winter? So I'm going to share it with you here. It says Anya Hindmarch and then Uniqlo, and then it is 80% acrylic, 10% nylon, 10% wool. It feels much softer than you would expect, and it feels really thick and well made. You can see all the knits here. So this is the beautiful olivey green color, and it's got the contrast little pocket. So cute. It's quite lengthy, so it's perfect for us adults, but also fine for kids. My son is 11 and he wears this out. So this is the green one. I'm going to gift this to one of my family members, which is why I ordered multiples. And then I'll show you the orange one. And this one is like sort of like a pumpkin, almost like a burnt orange. It's not a straight up orange, as you can see here. So I'd say it's a very nice fall color. Yeah, I would describe it as pumpkin. And this doesn't have contrast, but you can see it's got the eyeballs again, the signature, and then you've got the contrast white stitching here. So super cute little pocket. My son was like, what could I put in here? So adorable. So there we go. It's really nice, guys, really nice. And the price is $29.90. I'll link everything down below, but I feel like a lot of the items are already sold out. There was a sweater that I wanted to get for myself and also for my kids, the Crewneck, but those sold out. By the time I went onto the website, which was pretty fast, I thought, they sold out in every size, every color. So I'm going to wait to see if they come back in stock. Now this, if you're wondering, now this is so cute. So this I know my daughter is going to take from me, which is fine. It's in the olive green color. This is $19.90, and you're thinking, okay, it's a little pouch. Actually, it has a clasp here, so you can hang this on another bag, for example. It's got a zippered compartment. Of course, you can put your little knickknacks in here, but this is a full pouch inside. So you pull it out, and it's a really generous, large nylon tote with shoulder straps, okay? And as you can see, it's very roomy. You can wear this. I don't know if you're a student and you're just running around with some books. I'm going to probably put my library books in here. You guys know I'm always into carrying my books around to and from the library in totes like this. Very easy. It's probably going to be good in the rain, light snow. Here's what it looks like on the bottom. Just very simple. One seam on the bottom. I wouldn't put anything super heavy, but I think a few books would be great. Maybe a Kindle or an iPad, but not like a heavy laptop because it is nylon. Here are the straps reinforced. Super cute. And then what I love is, look at the back. Look at the detail. You know it's from the collab. It has the patch here. And then as you're wearing this, you have this little cute guy hanging just like that. So adorable, right? So stinking adorable. I don't know. I just think it's so cute. And they also have it in black, but I thought this color was really nice. I believe this color is all sold out, but you can get on the wait list for notification when it comes back in stock. I do think the black is available, but I'm sure it's limited quantities because people are snapping these up. The price is always good with Uniqlo. This is so cute. So this is not detachable, apparently. Okay, so it's not detachable, and you basically just fold this all back up. I'm not going to do it real pretty. I just want to do it quickly to see how easy it is. Yeah, I know my daughter's taking this from me, but we will share it, as we have been doing with a lot of bags lately. We've been sharing a lot of bags. She actually wore one of my bags, one of my Simbono little furry bags on Thanksgiving, and it looked like it belonged to her. So cute. Anyway, here we go. So I did pick up a couple more of these to give out to my friends for Christmas. Really, really adorable. And then you've got the gloves. So the gloves come in the 3 colors, either this pumpkin orange or olive green or navy, I believe. And so my son wanted these, but they're too big on him. So this is the ladies medium, $19.90. Again, the price is great. And I've got like you guys know I have pretty long fingers, which makes my hands kind of big. And the medium fits me fine. So he's got 11-year-old little boy hands, and these are too big for him. So that's how it goes in terms of sizing. So I might keep these for myself, or I have someone in mind that I can gift these to in my family. So that might be an idea. And then these I got for myself because I'm always looking for just warm, long socks. I didn't think they would be this long. I'm really happy to see that it's longer than I expected. I thought maybe the socks would go up to like ankle, but you see how it goes higher up to the calf? This is going to be perfect when I wear boots. And I just like to wear longer, thicker socks in general in the winter to keep myself warm. Feels nice. I wish you could feel it. It's pretty plush. It's not like a thin, flimsy sock. Love the little eyeballs here. So stinking cute. So there's that. And then I got the navy one as well. So these are HEATTECH socks. So if you are a fan of Uniqlo HEATTECH, which I am, you know all of their stuff in the HEATTECH collection just is extra warm. $7.90, but I think I bought two for $14, so it's like a little combo deal. So hopefully the socks are still in stock. So cute. And I think they had it in gray and also all black. And even though it says women's and it fits sizes 7.5 to 10, I do think that men can wear these as well, depending on feet size. Like I could see, because they don't look feminine, right? They look kind of, unisex, like universal for anyone who thinks this is cute. So eyeballs on each side, very nicely done. So definitely wanted to show you. You guys, I don't really get super excited about collaborations. Uniqlo has done many, many, many collaborations over the years, and I usually take a peek and then I let them pass by. But with Anya Hindmarch, I had to be on standby, and I had to pick up some goodies because I just like her as a designer. I've actually been eyeing her bags for years. I just haven't found like the one that makes me want to buy it, but I checked out her stuff when I was in London not too long ago. And so yes, this was a great way to get a little flavor, a little taste of Anya's style, her little quirkiness from a brand that I also very frequently shop from, which is Uniqlo, and I know their quality and I know that their prices are great in terms of like what you get. So definitely want to share these. I will link everything down below. I am going to be on standby for the Crewneck. I want to get one for me and for my kids. There's also a turtleneck. So I'll link everything down below so you can take a look. But again, if they are sold out, you're going to want to either stalk the site, or what I'm going to do is I'm putting my email address in to be notified. So as soon as the items come back in stock, I can be ready to pounce. But let me know what you guys think of this collection here. Are you guys a fan or not? I know it's really simple, may not be everyone's cup of tea, but I think it's adorable. And it doesn't like scream, designer. It doesn't have crazy heavy branding. It doesn't have logos. It's just, if you know the eyes, then you know it's Anya. And then you've got this little patch here. But otherwise, I think it's just so nicely done. And I had to share, of course, you guys. So let me know if you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you're a fan of Uniqlo, and also if you are a fan of Anya Hindmarch. I'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.